God, where is it? Where is it? Huh? Can you get away from there? It's everywhere. It's in my head. Ah! Hello everybody, it's Bobby K, and today I got a mystery package. I made a community post a few days ago of an older spirit prop from 2017, the Dark Jester on a swing, and what you guys didn't know is I had bought it. I did put the caption coming soon, so you guys should have known, but somebody literally put, in 2023, question mark, exclamation point. Yes, in 2023, it's on the way. Idiot. Okay, sorry. Believe it was SJL, huh? Maybe. Was it you? I don't know. But this is the Dark Jester on a swing. I mean, my mom did say you better clean your room so you can open this package and make sure it's not a rubber chicken inside. Could be a rubber chicken. I did hear some squeaking before. No, I didn't hear any squeaking. So, let's open this guy up and see what it is. Let's hope it's the Dark Jester on a swing. So, as you guys may know, Dark Jester on a swing is a static prop. It does not move. It just sits there and swings unless you get the swinging mechanism to go along with it, which I do not have the swinging mechanism. If I did, I would be showing a demo of it. Also, I might have done an intro, like before the intro, but if so, I'm not quite sure what it is. I like to try to make my my intros funny, like the Zombie Swing Girl one, and I haven't thought of a really great idea. I've thought of a couple ideas. I might use one of them. I'll put it on screen right now if the idea that I had is the one I used. So, it does look like a smallish box. Nah, I see his arm in there. Or something. So, yeah. Let's open him up. Come on, Ben. There's a Walmart paper bag here. There's his head. Walmart paper bag. Oh, is this just like a crumble of it? It is. They packed him really good, unlike the people that did Zombie Swing Girl. I also got a couple things from the Zombie Tech Squad today. Ooh, his head is big. Okay, it's just in a bag. So, here's the box. I'm just going to toss this all out of the way. It's going to be annoying. Can you get that out of the frame? That's even worse. Yeah. Whatever. You're going to have to deal with it. But, let's see. Where's the opening to this bag? Here. It's definitely not this big knot, guys. That's definitely not the opening. I like this head. I like it a lot. Yeah. This head is pretty creepy. It smells kind of weird. But yeah, look at that head, guys. I got this guy for about $50 plus about 15 shipping. And then with tax, it all came out to around 65, maybe 70. So I got a pretty good deal on this guy. I believe his price originally was like 170. So yeah, and he's a pretty rare one as well. So yeah, this says head here. It is a hard plastic, by the way. So next up we got is all this. So it looks like this is actually, they kept it inside of here, so they didn't fully take them apart. Don't like that when they don't fully take the props apart. There's no instructions, so I'm basically just setting myself up for disaster here. Worst comes to worst, I'll check instructions online off camera, but I doubt I'll need them. Okay, that's his foot. I should stuff that. It doesn't really look that great. Same with maybe the hat too. But yeah, there's his pants. I thought it was all one piece. And then here's his hip hoop. Or I don't think it comes with instructions. There might be some in here, but so we got probably like a waist tube. And then we got his hands here. Kind of getting stuck in the bag. So here's a swing. And then let me see. They didn't take it apart, which they probably should have. Because now it's getting all bent. I feel like I'm reliving the Zombie Swing Girl unboxing, where I was like untangling everything. But that's what you get when you get things off of eBay. You get things that aren't packaged great, possibly broken. This guy is just not packaged great. Like he like the packaging was great, but like they didn't take him apart whatsoever. It's kind of stuck. There we go, got it. And let me just take this off. And boom, got his other hand out. So got his hook here, hook, shirt, and then swing, and then one last piece, which is just a pole, which I assume is just a pole that snaps into him. And I'm pretty sure actually these swinging props don't come with instructions. I remember that from like that Wicked Makers video. But yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna separate these arms here. Before we know it, we'll have them all together. And then sometime in October, I don't believe that Spirit sells the swinging mechanism online anymore. So I will have to wait to find one in store, and I don't believe there's any on eBay. This is really bent. You know, I'm almost thinking that, no, it got bent during shipping because they didn't disattach everything.
Yeah, I'm clipping that there. It wasn't about that. It was because of rust. And on eBay in the description, it says never outside. One, in literally the thing on eBay, it was outside in the pictures. And two, it's because of rust. Well, you're gonna rain inside? Is that how it works now? Huh? Yeah. I hate people. Also, the seller doesn't let you leave bad reviews for the first 7 days after owning the product. Like, seriously, what? Can't believe him. Or her. I don't know. Or the appliance. I don't know how people identify today.
Either that or they just didn't tell me, and this seller did have some bad reviews, so I could see this happening. Let me see. Can I bend it back? That's as good as we're gonna get it. We could put some JB Weld on there eventually, but he's gonna be leaning, I think. Hold on. Let me try to use my knife to be able to open up that slot a little bit more to push it in. Whatever. I'm just gonna try to set him up anyway. But yeah. Let's get on to his setup. Whatever. So, what do we put this here, I guess? Nah, that's way too crooked. There we go. There we go. I fixed it. Now we can just put some JB Weld on there and it should hold. Maybe a bit more. But for now, we're good. So I don't know right now if he's facing me or you. Does it have a front and... No, it doesn't have a front and back. So we'll figure it out, to say the least. They must have been selling some other props as a piece of straw on there, probably from some sort of scarecrow. Now stop. Just stop, mister. Stop annoying me. Okay. I believe this is... Huh? Okay, wait. Was there like a bar here that I like tossed aside? Aha. Bar that I tossed aside. Okay, good. That's just loose naturally. Okay, good. So those for the legs, and I don't know, could we put the legs on? Nah, we can't put the legs on until he's hanging. So let's see. What is that for? I believe that might be for some sort of hip hoop that I put aside. This way. Now he is facing me, so I'm going to turn him around. Okay. Let's see. That connection is kind of loose. I wonder why. Whatever. Let's see this piece. Wait, could that go like this though? Yeah, I think we want the thicker part in front, right? That's what we would want. Oh, shoot. Was I supposed to put the pants on? I think I was supposed to put the pants on, guys. Does he have a hole in his pants so that I can put the pole through? Yes? No. Aha! It looks like somebody cut that hole. So I don't know if it was from Spirit officially. They might have just had you put it through pants. So I don't know. If we're putting it that way, then his legs would be facing like that. So yeah, I think that's how we would do it. There we go. Now, take this. No, unhook. And put it on there. There we go. Okay, and I believe we should put this over this. Alright, so now I guess we want this piece. So, yeah, he's definitely facing the camera. Oh, shoot. Okay, so I should probably... done that before I had done all that, so. Dad, why is that so crooked? Why are you so crooked? It's the shoulder frame, because they didn't pack it good. That's why it's crooked. But okay. Nah, I think it's just the way I'm looking at it, I think. Oh, it's because it's like that. There we go. Better. Okay. Now, let's take the shirt, put it over. Wait, what? I guess something like this. Okay. I swing now. Whee! Okay, I'm going to attach on his arms. I'd like to beef these out a little bit. Maybe. Probably not. I don't know. I could just. Yeah. I don't know. Okay. This was a much easier setup than I expected it to be, since we are almost done. And I should have kept this back open. I need to see in. And I don't know what company he's made by. If anybody knows, it feels like an SVI type of setup, but it's, I don't know. I don't think it is. Because of, you know, the swinging mechanism is not made by SVI. I think it's made by YJ or Crazy Create. I think the swinging mechanism, the one that they sell separately, is made by, Crazy Create. But, you know, he might be made by SVI. Because these are marketed with these swinging mechanisms. I don't remember Velcroing that back up. Now he's leaning this way. Probably because I broke it. We'll JD weld it eventually. Okay, so yeah, let me just pull these sleeves up. Now he is really leaning. Maybe it was supposed to be like that. Let's see, how does he look? I can't see him from the front right now. I looked at him through the phone, but he is leaning so much. Well, was. Hey dude, how you doing? He's cool. I mean, pretty cool. But, like, he's not anything amazing. So, let's see, do I have a good spot to hang him? Probably not. Let me find a better spot. Oh, that's what holds him correctly. Because when he's hanging up, the arms hold him. So, yes. I will be right back when I find a better spot to hang him. Okay, everybody. he's all set up. I have him hanging. Yes, this is in a shower stall. The shower is not functional anymore, though. Yeah, his welding down there, I think they did lie in the eBay listing, and it was broken down there when they shipped it. Because I don't see how that could happen, because that pole was not attached, so it couldn't have pulled it out. But it is an easy fix with some JB weld. I think my dad has some in the garage, so we can fix him pretty soon as well. So, this guy, love his face. Even though it's just a skull, it's very simple, but red nose, mouth wide open, cool little jester things above his thing there, and then above his eyes, and then his hat. I didn't beef out his hat and his shoes yet. I just hung him up. I can angle down the camera to show his shoes after, but yeah, he does have some little bells on him. I have him roped up and looped around up here. You can't really see that either. I'll bring the phone up there so you can see that after as well. So, yeah, he is really cool. He's creepy. I probably will end up getting the swinging mech for him eventually. I'm trying to stay in frame. I love his clothing. It's nothing really special, but, it's just Jester stuff. So I'm going to give him a little push and hope he doesn't snap. What was that? Hold on, I gotta pull in his arms because they're gonna hit the edge. There we go. 3. Hold on, let me get back here. Hold on. I'm here now. If I fall through the floor, it's because there's mold all underneath this shower, probably, maybe. Whee! Oh, yeah, he keeps getting caught there. Yeah, sorry it's this angle. I have to do it this angle because you wouldn't be able to see basically any of him if I did it at any other angle. This way as opposed to, that way. So, this is him. Yeah, he's really cool. There's not really much to say about him. Yeah, so he does need to be fixed a little bit, but I think he was a good deal. $50, probably around 65 plus shipping and tax. I think we got ourselves a deal. This is a part where I would go and show the demo, but there is no demo to be shown for this guy. See, our shower stall just lifted off the ground. Shouldn't be able to do that. Please send help. Okay. So, yeah. He is awesome. Love all the detail in his face. Even though it is just a skull, it is very detailed. There's a bunch of cracks and stuff in it. And then I can give him a push. I did give him a push. That was basically his demo.
Alright, so that was the Dark Jester on a swing unboxing. I forgot to film an outro. So I just cut off the video there because I was basically just fooling around the whole rest of the time. So, yeah, basically that is him. I still have not figured out what I'm going to do for the intro, though I have an idea, and it was not the idea that I had before. Alright, I'm going to go attempt to film the intro if it is what I'm sticking with. Alright, hope everyone enjoyed the video, and bye.